Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The third point I think that we have got to keep in mind, to which my honorable friend, Dr. Shyama Prasad, has referred, is the question of increasing the productive capacity of the country. Stop. That, of course, goes to the root of all the problems with which we are faced, and in the circumstances in which we are placed, I have no doubt that all the agencies of government concerned with production would do their best to meet this difficult situation. Stanza. Suggestions have been made by honorable members to the effect that there should be a suitable machinery which would enable government to take into confidence representative elements of the house, so that the proposals which government have in hand might be formulated and might be implemented with their assistance. Stop. Government have decided to appoint a committee, an ad hoc committee, for the purpose of considering what measures should be taken to meet the problems created by devaluation and also to determine whether adequate progress is being made in the matter of implementing these proposals from time to time. Stop. Government have accepted the proposals made by honorable members to that effect, and I hope, with the approval of the Deputy Prime Minister, to make a very early announcement of the composition and terms of reference of the committee. Stanza. There are just one or two other matters that I want to refer to. Stop. There has been a great deal of reference during the debate to the question of our relation to sterling. Stop. Although honorable members like Professor Ranga were prepared to admit that formally now there is no such thing as a link between the rupee and the sterling, circumstances are such that there appears to be a link, which we are not able to get away from, and I have no doubt that what he has at the back of his mind is that since all this trouble arises from the fact that the greatest part of our trade is with the sterling area, it is necessary that we should reorganize our trade in such a manner that the sterling area will not dominate our foreign trade to the extent that it does now. Stop. The difficulty about that is this. Stop. As Pandit Thakur Das Bhargava said in his speech yesterday, you cannot get away overnight from the commitments which history has made for us during the last many years. Full stop. Over.